If you're a complete beginner and don't know anything about baking, you better stay and watch this video. My name is Grace Parazo, founder of the Bailiwick Academy. If this is your first time hearing about us, we create life-changing online classes that empowers people like you to be the best version of yourself, helps you gain confidence, and turn that passion to profit. For you to be able to bake, you should know the basics. But before that, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click the notification bell icon so you will be notified of our future updates. I'm fond of trying out gadgets and equipment, so we decided to share them with you. Here are top 10 things that you should have in your kitchen. First on the list is an oven thermometer. So this is an example of an oven thermometer. So even if your oven has their own thermometer built in, you should still have one of these. This is to ensure that you have consistent temperature all throughout the baking process. Next is measuring cup. So we have measuring cups for dry ingredients, and this is the measuring cup used for wet ingredients. If you're going to measure dry ingredients, you should make sure that you scoop and then sweep, all right? So you scoop like that, and then you sweep, okay? So you cannot just put your whole cup in there and then just do like that, okay? It's more accurate if you sweep it. Now, how to measure wet ingredients, all right? So I have here my measuring cup, and I have here water. It should be on eye level. So when you pour your liquid, so for example, let's say you're going to measure 1 cup there. So what I usually do is I take the one on top, and it's just above the line, all right? So the liquid is just above the line, and that's what I get. We're done with our measuring cup for dry ingredients, and we have our measuring cup for wet ingredients. Now we need measuring spoons. Now we have here, luckily, Bougie.ph gave us this gift, and let's see what's inside. Can you see it? Wow. So we have here tongs, whisk, grater. They're measuring spoons. So let's see. And there's also a pan. Alright, so we're done talking about the measuring cups earlier, and now we move on to measuring spoons. Right. They have this Cuisipro, and what I like about this tool is that it has it's oval in shape, and it fits into the smallest jar. Yan. So hindi na mahihirapan kasi yung iba, 'di ba? Maliit lang yung mouth ng jar, then kapag rounded siya, sobrang hirap na mag-scoop doon sa jar na yon. Narrow lang yung niya, yung spoons, and it's oval in shape. And then hindi ko na problema yung mawala yung mga spoons. Kasi lagi yung kapag ginamit mo, tapos nun itatoss mo lang doon sa sink, tapos wala na. Pagbalik na wala na sila. So, what I like about this is they have a ring to keep them all together. Yan. And it's made of the highest quality stainless steel. So, you're sure na hindi siya magra-rust. Yan. Thank you so much. See? Meron pa siyang nakalagay dito. Stainless steel. Yan. Medyo marami yung binigay sa atin ng Bougie.ph, so include na lang natin sila sa list. This is the Cuisipro Nylon Non-Stick Tongs. What's good about this is you can just operate it with one hand. You can just press like that, and then you can open and close it like that. So, medyo swabe yung pagkagamit nito. And mafe-feel mo talaga doon sa material niya na it's heavy duty. So, makapal yung bakal niya. So, it's very nice. And another thing about this one is meron siyang hook where you can just hang it on your wall. Next is the Cuisipro Frosted Silicone Egg Whisk. So this is great for egg whites or sauces. This is heat resistant to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius. So you can confidently whisk sauces right on the stove. It will not scratch ceramic, metal, or non-stick cookware. It has brushed stainless steel tube handle. The sealed cap prevents food from getting trapped in the ends of the wires. And what's good about this is it's dishwasher safe. Next is the Cuisipro Surface Glide Technology Deluxe Dual Grater. The Dual Grater combines two popular grating surfaces in one unit. Fine for citrus zest, parmesan, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Coarse for soft cheeses and vegetables. There's a groove grating surface that allows you to grate more with less effort. Grooves reduces resistance, making it easier to grate food. Grooves also elongate the length of each individual blade. More food is grated with each stroke. Non-slip ends provide stability and safety while grating. Safety cover protects hands during use. This one is also made from high-quality stainless steel and dishwasher safe. Okay, so akala ko, ito lang yung papadala ng Bougie.ph sa akin. So marami pa. So we have here USA pans. Wow, look at that. Ang ganda, no? So this is 8 by 8 inch square pan, USA pan. And this is the 12 cup muffin pan. Yan. So it's also made by USA pan. Yan. And also we have this heavy duty half sheet baking pan. Baking pan and rack set. Yan, also from USA pan. Yan. So syempre, paano ka magbe-bake kung wala ka namang mga pans, 'di ba? So ito maganda dito, meron siyang nakaset na siya. So it's a half sheet baking pan, this one, and this is the cooling rack. You can use this or this one separately. So, tapos pwede ka ring mag-roast dito ng lechon or chicken, diba? Tapos nun, it will just serve as a drip pan. Yan. And then, for your cupcakes, grabe, ang bigat pala nito, no? You can use this for your cupcakes, muffins, 12-cup muffin pan. So, meron silang version nito na 6 cups lang, 6 holes. And if you have a smaller oven, yun yung gagamitin mo. If you have a bigger oven, ito yung gagamitin mo. Grabe, ibang-iba to sa dating gamit ko kasi yung dati parang flimsy yung ginagamit ko. Ang ganda niya, ang kapal ng material and mabigat siya. So, hindi siya basta-basta. And also, what I love about USA pans is they're non-stick. Hindi na to kailangan ng liners if you're going to make your brownies here. You can just use it as is. So, dump nyo lang dyan yung batter, then that's it. So ito, syempre, kung gusto mo cupcakes, lagyan mo ng cupcake liners. Pero not really necessary kasi it's non-stick and the baked goods slide off easily. Yan. So thank you Bougie.ph for sending this. So aside from the whisk, you should have a spatula because you cannot whisk everything. So you need a spatula so you could mix all of your batter. Next is the mixing bowls. So you should have a lot of mixing bowls. So you need this for your mise en place. So mise en place means you prepare all of the ingredients ahead of time. So that is to ensure that you're putting the correct ingredients or right ingredients you have in your recipe. Next is the mixer. So if you're a beginner, you usually start with a whisk and spatula. But if you want to upgrade, then you need to have a mixer like this, a hand mixer. So this is just a hand mixer. And this is a stand mixer. Okay, so if you're making big batches of cookies or your cake, it's very helpful if you have a stand mixer. Now, if you're serious about baking and selling, you should have your weighing scale. So if you're a student of the Bailiwick Academy, you know what I'm talking about. we always teach our students to weigh their ingredients. So please invest in a quality weighing scale. So last on the list is an oven. So you cannot bake without an oven. So people will say, bakit naman nakaka-bake naman ako sa steamer? So yun, steam yun. Using an oven, it's a dry cooking method. You really need to have an oven. This is an example of small oven. If you're a beginner, you can start with a small oven. Most ovens that we have right now are electric. So you can use a convection oven. So you can start small with a small oven like this. Once you come up with more orders, then you can upgrade your small oven to a cooking range, and you can also upgrade to a deck oven like what you can see here. Now, if you want to know more, please watch our webinar all about ovens. You will learn a lot from that webinar as we talk about the different kinds of ovens from beginner to pro. So I will just put the link in the description box below, so you can just click that link so you can go to that video. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you learned a lot from this video. If you have any comments and suggestions or violent reactions, just comment them down below and I'll try to answer it as soon as I can. Alright, so thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next video.